Hello, welcome to my channel. This video it will be something different that I'm doing usually on my channel. We are mixing colors. We are finding the perfect shade that I want right now. So you will see me now how I'm mixing colors. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe and comment down below if you want to see any particular video. Now I've been choosing 3 colors. Black and a type of green gray and red. I want to get a purplish type, a light lila, something like this I want to get. So I'm adding a little bit white to see if I can open up this color, and yes, it's starting to come to my vision. Yes, I'm trying it on the tips every time, and I'm mixing colors and adding drop by drop as much as I want, just to open up the color or to make it a little bit darker. Now I've added some red and it will come a little bit darker and a little bit more purple. Yes, this is the color that I would like. You see this purple, how it came from 4 colors. And whenever you don't have a shade or you don't have a particular color, you can create it. It is very easy. You just mix drop by drop and you get the color that you want. You don't need to buy all the colors in the market. You can buy just the main colors and combine between them. Now I will try to see how this purple color looks on the main color on for my nails. This is my main color that will be for my nails, so I want to see. I'm using some a sponge to create a ombre shade. It's not like ombre, it's just to fade down the color a little bit. So using this sponge before curing, I'm just spreading the color as much as I want. There is also the technique that you can put the color directly on the sponge will absorb and you will use it on the nail, but the pigment it will be much less. I'm trying to create a shade. I'm just testing out now the color, how I to look, what shall I do on my nails. So these tips, these plastic tips are amazing if you just want to test some designs or what can you do with your nails when you don't have any clue. Is a perfect thing. So I'm just playing now, okay? When I'm done playing, I will add a layer of top coat and cure it under LED lamp for 60 seconds. And I think this is the final look for the nail tips. Now we'll go to my nails. I believe this is a different color that I have on my nails than I used for the combination. This is like a dark blue Pantheon color, something like this, I think. I like this color a lot and it goes perfectly with purple. I want to create only a line of French. I don't want to add too much. So I will just do only the sides and the finish tip. When I'm done with the design, I will cure it under LED lamp for 30 seconds, apply some top coat, and it is done. What do you think about mixing colors? Would you try? Which colors would you want to see next? And what colors did you combine and turn out to be amazing shades that you didn't find in the market? I would be happy to know. So if you want to see other videos, you can check on the playlist. I have plenty of videos on gel and design and nail structure, and you can check my TikTok account and Instagram. beautifulforlove.nails. As well, I have links for affiliate marketing. You can buy any product you want, and of course I will get a commission out of it, so I will be happy to get it if you want. I apply some top coat, and this is the final product. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.